back to K2 Fun Kids. Today we are making slime. Right now they have the instructions on the back. We got these from Target here in Florida. Beautiful day. And here, let's get started. This is Kennedy. Right here.
We're brother and sister. So
Okay, which one are you gonna make?
I'm gonna make the green.
Okay, that means I'm gonna make blue. So we take this and we put the whole entire thing in this bowl.
Some YouTubers already know, and some kids already know that watch YouTube.
Oh jeez. It smells bad.
Ew! You're right. It smells disgusting.
Okay, we have to pour this in.
Jeez, ow.
Here, pour it in.
Oh, this is satisfying. It's cool.
Let's go.
I got it. Okay. Is that all? No, it isn't.
Oh yeah, that's sticky. It's sticking to the bottom.
In there.
Should I do
Hey,
let go? It sucks
why don't you just put the
back
cap on and squeeze it out? It may work better.
No.
Maybe.
It's a lot better like doing it like this because you
My
get
dad's
all the-
behind the camera, so he's the guiding us.
He's the cameraman. It doesn't.
I just farted. Yeah, no, it works better with the cap off.
I need help. Jeez,
Here,
Louise.
can
Tablespoon.
Ow!
Ow, get it.
Here, get it.
Do you even hear that sound?
It's crazy.
Get in there. This is taking us a long time. Dad! Do you even see us right now? We're struggling.
Oh man.
The struggle is real.
Is that it?
I think that's it. Yep, I don't really have much in mind.
I think that's it. Okay, screw back on. Look in there. Look in there and screw back on.
I did. It's not really.
Wait, let me see.
Oh,
All right.
Dad.
Now,
Stop.
here, here we have Elmer's magical liquid
Yeah.
right there. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of this. With this,
That was easy to open. I didn't even open it.
okay. There's that.
It smells fine.
Hold it over the
It
bowl.
smells like nothing looking.
Okay, we're gonna hold it over the bowl.
As he pours it in the bowl.
Okay. Put it in.
There's a bug.
Give me
We
yours.
have
Give
to-
me
One
yours,
more,
give me
one
yours.
more. Put one more in yours too. Cannon. 2 and then 2. Mix 2, 2.
It's our dad, just so you know. He sounds creepy
Okay, Kennedy,
sometimes.
pour it in.
Okay. This
Here, let me hold
is
this
a
for you.
nightmare, kind of. Ah.
Okay. As soon as it goes to the top, stop. Nope, a little more. There we go. Whee! One more.
This is my potential big brother.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Okay.
We can use more of this.
Now
There's
we
more
have
in
to
here.
mix it with our big spoon.
Oh, it's already becoming slime. Mine it is. Look. Oh yeah. It's slippery. It's coming along very good.
All right, come here. Let me see. Let the audience see inside your bowl.
I don't know how we're gonna be.
All
able
right,
to touch
mix
this.
it good. Mix it really good. Then we gotta put 2 more tablespoons of the magic liquid.
very sticky.
I have dry glue literally all over my hands.
Yeah, we can just let that.
We never do vlogs. All we do is videos, and I'm convincing my dad to let us do a vlog, like for the whole day. But like in the middle of the day,
His phone will die.
well, he's gonna have to put it on charge with the battery.
Yeah, that work too. Okay. Here.
Tablespoons of liquid.
Liquid. Let me go first.
Oh,
Just let the glue dry and then you can peel it off.
yeah, it's fun to peel. Me and my brother like to peel a lot.
Oh, I just poured that in.
Jeez. Ah! Our dad was like, ugh. And our mom's taking a nap right now.
All right.
Pour that in.
No, that's it.
Jeez Louise, yeah, there's a lot of glue to peel off.
Mine's already dried. Okay, can I?
Mine's already dry
Pour
a
yours
little.
in. Pour yours in. By the way, this is glow in the dark slime.
So we're gonna go in the dark.
So in our next video, you have to see us.
Yeah,
put
in
the
our
dark
next
in the
video,
dark.
we're gonna put our slime in the dark.
Wait, Dad, I didn't do 2 tablespoons.
Yes, you did.
I did.
Yep. Go. It's good.
I have still more activator in this thing.
Stir it up.
We have to put. Do we have to put 8?
Nope, just that's it. Now you gotta stir it up good with all your muscle and all your
Oh.
power. All your kid power. Your K2 Fun Kid power, your might, has gotta go into that mixing.
You know they all took away kids' comments.
So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to make sure you see this glow in the dark slime. It's getting a lot better as we go.
Yeah, it is. Mine is not really mixing that good, really.
Okay, mix it harder.
I'm trying to. No. My dad's convincing me for him to mix it. Because he's the filmer and he's like, I'm mixing it.
Wow. Yeah, it's definitely turning into slime. It's not that sticky. Because like, you scoop it up and it just flops back over.
That's exactly what
Scoop it up, flop.
Mix all that activator. Action. Action.
Put the action cut.
Action. Action.
Kennedy, can you sing me a little JoJo Siwa?
No. Those are Siwa's on TikTok. We're on TikTok.
Let me go get a
But you
napkin.
can't follow us on TikTok because we have a private account.
I'm gonna go ahead and get a napkin.
Hurry up! What? Go to the camera. Well, he told me to go to the camera, so I did it. Bye.
Everybody, magical liquid just flew down my leg.
And I just got myself a big thing. Keep mixing.
Gotta keep mixing this.
We have to wrap it up really quick and show you guys how good it is. We have to do it as quickly as we can. Hurry, 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 hurry.
I'm making sure it's not.
Ew. We need it to dry up a little bit.
So the next time we see you guys, we are gonna show you how it's going to go.
So, bye guys. And make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video. And we're going to do another video in the same clothes.
Okay guys, look at that. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit. Maybe do some mixing after the video.
Yeah, and we are going to do another video in the same clothes in the same day. So, we're going to see you guys later. Bye.
See ya!
Action.